Did you know kids and babies can have strokes? It's really sad, but we can help if we learn more.
Hi, I'm Champigny. I'm a graduate student in neuropsychology at York University and I study pediatric stroke. Stroke happens when there's a sudden disruption in blood flow in the brain. This can occur with hemorrhage or ischemia. In the case of a hemorrhagic stroke, a weakened blood vessel ruptures, the spilled blood presses against the tissue, and that leads to cell death. Ischemic stroke occurs when something like a blood clot blocks the blood flow. The deprivation of blood kills brain tissue. 50 to 80% of survivors have permanent neurological problems. I focus on the cognitive deficits. Many areas can be affected, including language, executive functioning, attention, working memory, processing speed, and others. As a result, children with stroke often face unique academic challenges compared to their peers. For instance, weak working memory can make it difficult to perform complex math problems. Kids with attention impairments have a hard time paying attention to the teacher, and slower processing speed makes it tough to keep up with the class pace.
Taking notes was impossible for me. Sometimes I know what I want to write, but I can't write it down. Sometimes I read what I wrote, but it doesn't make any sense. The lessons were so fast that I couldn't understand it.
Half of stroke survivors need special assistance in class, and a third need remedial teaching or special education programs. We need to change that. The first step is to understand their struggles. So that's what I'm doing with my research supervisor, Dr. Mary Desrochers.
Kids with stroke are a very underrepresented population in research, and scientists don't know very much about how they learn. There's a big gap in our knowledge there.
I meet with patients in the Children's Stroke Program at the Hospital for Sick Kids in Toronto. Families come from all over Ontario, so we've been able to meet with lots of kids who want to share their story. Both parents and youths have reported that the effect of stroke on school is their greatest concern. If we can understand the struggles that these teenagers and children encounter, then we can develop better treatments, teachers can give the right accommodations, and kids with stroke can learn at their full potential.